All right, guys, we got an awesome product here from Illiyoon. This is their concentrate cream. It is their mild moisturizing cream for strengthening skin, moisturizing barrier, and providing soothing effects. Check that out. This is the way it comes. I do like these packages come really awesome as they are secure and they have extra pieces to go over them, so you know you are not getting something that's tampered with. So with this package itself, you have a ton of cool stuff. Let's go ahead and check out the ingredients right there. Hopefully you can see some of that. There is a long list of them, but that's okay because there's a ton of natural good ingredients in this. From a directions perspective, it says apply generous amount to dry areas on the face and body with no artificial fragrances added. The formula may have a unique smell originating from its ingredients. So that is super important. Now, every time I see stuff like this, I do like to kind of move it around. Sometimes it does settle and sit, so we want to make sure we do that without any problems. And let's go ahead and open it up. Let's see if there's an extra cap on here. There is a cap on it, so we do got to take that off. And let's see. It is a white cream. So if that matters to you. Now, I've let my hands get a little bit dry. I haven't put any lotion on in a little bit. Let's go ahead and see what this looks like on the knuckle right there, just a little bit, because I don't think you need much. And this is going to be fighting off some of that area when it comes to the super dry skin for the healing perspective. So let's go ahead and rub that in there, see what that looks like. Definitely not an oily feel to it. There is zero smell to this. I wouldn't even know that I have it on. Zero smell, and my skin just soaked that up in a heartbeat. And I don't know if you can see it, but it smells like nothing and feels fantastic on the skin. So not really sure how to exactly explain that, but I can tell you that my skin soaked that up really well, and the dryness is definitely gone without any issues, not leaving any oily residue anywhere, and it does soak it all the way up. So I don't think you need a whole lot of it, which is super important. This is vegan certified, allergy tested, and sensitive skin tested. So it gives you all that good stuff for giving yourself some protected skin. So definitely check it out.